Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I introduce BONOSS wheel spacer for you guys. So how to choose good wheel spacers?
High quality wheel spacer can offer numerous benefits, including improved handling, enhanced appearance, and the ability to fit larger tires. When selecting wheel spacers, it's important to consider several factors. Opt for wheel spacers made from high-strength, durable aluminum alloy material. This material ensures the spacers are lightweight yet strong enough to withstand the pressures of daily driving. Hub-centric spacers, which align perfectly with the center ball of the vehicle hub. They reduce vibration and ensure the weight of the vehicle is carried by the hub rather than the bolts, offering a smoother ride. Choosing the right thickness will depend on your vehicle's requirements and the look you are aiming for. Thinner spacers push the wheels out further, offering a more aggressive stance and better cornering performance due to the wider track. High-quality wheel spacer can improve the driving experience by enhancing handling, stability, and appearance.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get these BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.